Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a very delicious abacha, which is popularly known as African salad. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe you will need abacha, and I have a video on how to make this yourself. Feel free to check it out. Ugba is shredded oil beans, guiding eggs, guiding egg leaves, which is washed and sliced already. And right here I have pita salt, which is also known as potash. If you don't eat potash, you can leave that out, or you can use just a little bit. Bouillon cube, and I'm using the Maggi star. Blended crayfish, calabash, nutmeg, and this is what it looks like, and the one I'm going to be using is blended already. Ogiri is fermented melon seed. Dried pepper, salt, red palm oil, bell peppers, pepper, onions, which I'm going to be using to make sauce, cooked cow skin, mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will start by seasoning the fish with salt and lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is basically black pepper and lemon. If you don't have this, you can use lemon and pepper to season. Ginger and garlic paste. And I will use my hand to rub all the spices very well so everything can enter the fish. And I want to say a big thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you all so much to everyone that watches my videos. I truly do appreciate every one of you. God bless you. I will leave this to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is 20 minutes later. Place the fish on an oven rack. I'm going to be grilling the fish. If you like it fried, feel free to fry yours. I'll be grilling it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes and 15 to 10 minutes on each side. Next, I have the peppers washed already in the blender, and I will be roughly blending the peppers. And that is done. So this is what the blended peppers looks like, and I will put that aside. Next, add some red palm oil in the pot and leave it to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add diced onions and fry the onions for about 1 minute. Next, add the blended peppers. So I'll be adding half of the Maggi cube in there. Add salt and stir. So I'm going to leave this sauce to fry for about 15 minutes. And this is 15 minutes later. The sauce is ready. Stir. And I'll be taking out some of the sauce. This is too much, and I can save the rest for later use. Add the kpomo, and the cow skin is already cooked, so I will go ahead and stir. Stir and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in the sauce and it will be ready. In a large bowl, transfer the abacha in there. Add warm water. You can use cold one, you can use hot one, but I'm using warm one. Stir and leave it in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you leave it for so long, your abacha is going to be very, very soggy. And this is 5 minutes later. Pour it through a strainer to take out all the liquid and leave it in the strainer for another 5 minutes. If it's still hard, just leave it. It's going to get softened on its own. Next, in a bowl, add potash salt, add water and stir and leave it to dissolve. And that is done. In a large bowl, add some red palm oil. You can use more or less. And pass the mixed potash salt through a strainer to prevent the undissolved one from entering into it. And mix it very well. So once you add the potash salt, it's going to change into orange and color. I'm using just a little bit. You can use more or less. I don't like too much of it in my dish. Add calabash nutmeg, crayfish, and I'll add some piece of the bouillon cube. You can use more or less. Add salt, peppers, and add the ogiri. Stir it very well until everything is well combined. You can also use baking soda to replace the potash salt. Add the soaked abacha and stir it very well until everything is well combined. Mix it very well. I'm not going to be cooking it on the stove top again. And if you like it warm, you can transfer it to the stove top to heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the diced peppers and stir. So once everything is mixed together, it's ready. So next, it's time to make the ugba. So in a large bowl, add in some red palm oil. Through a strainer, add in the potash salt. And mix it very well. It's going to change color and color just like the first one. Add the blended crayfish. Add calabash nutmeg, ogiri. Add peppers. And the other piece of the bouillon cube, salt. And stir it till everything is well combined. Add the ugba. Stir it very well until everything is well combined. You taste and adjust seasoning if needed. If you like it warm, you can send it to the stove top and warm it up a little bit and the ugba is ready. It's time to serve. In a plate, add abacha. On the other side of the plate, I will add ugba. Add fish. The fish is ready. And the guiding egg leaf. add some garden eggs on the other side, onions, some diced peppers, and the stewed cow skin. And the African salad is ready. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.